Okay guys, so this Faceless YouTube channel earns around $4,000 per month from uploading these historical documentary videos. If we take a closer look, their videos are super easy to create. Generally speaking, their videos get millions of views and are actively trending, so this niche still has lots of potential. Moreover, they managed to get more than 52 million views across all videos. Well, it looks like we have work to do. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start your own historical YouTube automation channel using this method. We will obviously create our video using just a few AI tools and text prompts. And at the end of this video, I will show you a simple way of making money with this channel by promoting products. That's what you are here for, right? I really create some of the best AI tutorials in the game. So first, let's take a closer look at the channel I came across and break their videos down. The channel's name is Captivating History. Now I will go over to the video section and sort by popular. Let's zoom in on some of their most popular videos, those two. As you can see, those videos are very simple and consist of just a bunch of images and a voiceover. Well, when I say simple to make, they are still very time-consuming, can take up to several hours to create, and you would still need at least a basic understanding of video editing, which is not the easiest thing on its own. But hold up guys, what if I told you we can do all of this in a matter of a few prompts, combining just two AI tools? You heard me correctly. Something that took humans hours upon hours to do is now taken care of by AI in a few clicks. Well, just keep watching, because I am literally about to show you how it's done. To begin with, the AI tool I'm going to be using is called nVideo AI. You can find the link down below. Open this tool and create an account. You guys are very intelligent, so I am sure you can figure this step out. Anyway, once you create your account, you will land on the homepage. Next, click on Create AI Video. Now guys, there are two ways to go about creating our video. First, we can select this model called nVideo AI. Now let me show you how to properly use this new feature. So in order to get the prompt that will help us to produce a truly epic video, we need to head over to our old friend ChatGPT. Now I will ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for me to use in nVideo. To be specific, I will tell it that I want to create a 2-minute historical documentary about the history of England, since that's one of the most popular videos on the channel we are modeling. So before we even proceed to generating the video, let's take a look at the prompt ChatGPT gave us. As we can see, it broke down and organized everything I wrote earlier. Additionally, it broke down everything into chapters, included timestamps, and wrote the setup settings, which is all truly mind-blowing. Anyway, I like everything the way it is, so I will just copy this and head over to nVideo AI. Now obviously, paste our prompt and hit generate. Right before it generates the actual video, you will see a window to answer some final questions. I actually like everything the way it is, but let's still go over it. For the audience, I will keep it as history buff, since that's our target audience. For look and feel, I recommend selecting dramatic, since we always want our video to evoke emotions, making it more engaging. For platform, obviously select YouTube, but as you can see, it's not limited to YouTube, and you can create short-form content as well. Anyway, now hit continue. It's going to take about 2 minutes to generate, so I will be right back. So, it has been about 90 seconds, which is super quick for a video that size. Anyways, let's give it a look and see if we need to adjust it.
The Romans, the first to leave a significant imprint, introduced roads, baths, and even central heating.
So, not bad at all, but I definitely want to fix a few things. First, let's tell it to add captions. This will make the video significantly more engaging and allow you to keep viewers for longer. Next, I will tell it to change the voiceover to a more energetic male voice, as this one sounds a bit boring, to be honest. Okay, one last thing before we hit generate. We can also change the visuals. Click right here on Edit, and this menu will open up. Now simply click on the piece of content you want to change. Now in this search box, type in the keyword you need. I will type England for this example. Okay, now let's hit generate. Now we just need to export our video and explore the money-making opportunities of such a channel. So keep watching. But from there, we're going to come over to export. If you have the free version, it will make you save this video with the watermarks that come in the video. You can whether choose a paid plan. To remove watermark and branding, those actually start for as low as $20 a month with everything you get. Okay, now let's talk about money. So how do you actually monetize this channel? Well, there are a few ways. First of all, obviously we can get the required 1K subs and 4,000 watch hours, and get monetized after a couple of uploads. Now, hear me out. Because these videos are so easy to create, and they are fairly long, the 4K watch hours mark should be fulfilled within 1 or 2 months of consistent posting. But of course, I am not done here. Now, you can promote a product. To figure out which product you want to promote, we can go to the channel we are modeling and see what they are promoting. As you can see, if we go to the very end of one of their videos, we can literally see them promoting books and pushing affiliate links. The thing about Amazon affiliates is all you have to do is get people to click on your link, and then you get a commission on anything they buy within the next 24 hours. Not just the book you are promoting, but literally anything. It can get crazy. So it is definitely a very lucrative opportunity. Once you find the book that suits your topic to promote, copy its name and head over to Amazon affiliates. If Amazon is not available in your country, you can look at ClickBank or Digistore as well. Now, sign up on the affiliate website, get the link, give them your payment information, all that important stuff, and boom, you are ready to start making money. So now let's sum it up. Just put this link in the profile's description, have a call to action in your video, create like 30 videos with this method, stay consistent, and wait for the money to start coming in. Anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you liked the video. See you in the next one.